Today we are going to do this trial for this next machine. So that machine already trial is over. So now this machine we are going to do the trial. So you can see that groundnut we have feeded inside the machine. So here we have taken 7 threads, and here 20. So same for this also, for this one everything will be same. For this also 7, that is also 7. Back side 20, here also 20. So everything will be same. So before starting the machine, we need to put the lock. So for that 1 liter water we have taken. So we have 1 liter water. Now we can start the machine. Now we need to pour some ml of water first. So after oil is coming, I'll just show you. So we need to slowly add the water first. Almost little bit more. Almost 150 ml of water we have poured. So we need to wait for 10 minutes, then oil will start coming. So we don't to keep any hand inside the machine. It will automatically produce the oil. Only for cleaning the machine we need a person. So this is an automatic motor. So this is a 3 HP 3-phase motor. It will be running very smooth, no vibration, no noise. So sounds are coming from the industry. So next machine is getting ready. So wooden parts are getting machined up. From that raw material oil started coming out. So that's it. After it's getting clear oil, you will take the oil out. See that now oil is separate, now the cake is separate. So now we can take the oil out. So you can see that machine noise level, it will be very smooth. There will be no noise or vibration. It will be running very smooth. So greasing part will be this roller area. So in this roller area we need to apply grease, sir. And in the bottom gear, there you can see the gear. In that gear we need to apply the grease, sir. So weekly once applying grease is enough for this machine. So in my machine it's like a zero maintenance, sir. Like without any major maintenance we can run the machine for a long time. So it's like a good quality machine we are giving for best price in the market, sir. So now we'll take the oil out from this machine. So inside oil. So That's it, sir. It dries, sir. So again we'll take the oil out. This is the second time we are taking the oil out, sir. So again same position. So I'll come out. If any cake is stuck in that hole, sir, we can use this tool for cleaning that hole. So just leave it inside, sir. And if you rotate, the oil will come out, sir. That's it. So now we are not going to put the lock, sir. So it will be running like this for next 10 to 15 minutes. Then we'll remove the cake, sir. Oil production is over, sir. So we have taken the cake out. This is a cake, pressing what is taken out, sir. So we have got the oil. So this much of oil I got, some groundnut. So that's it, sir. So trial is over. So next we can dispatch the two machines. Thank you for watching this video, sir. Thank you.